Hello everyone, today we're going to learn about English slang words. English slang words are the part of conversation in English. Slang word is useful in English conversation, but in the textbook we never use slang word. Slang word is English spoken on the street, family or friend. Today, we have learned about slang word. English slang word. So today we learn about the slang word. My bad. In English slang word, my bad, it is mean made a mistake just. So example. In the example here, sorry I lost your CD. It is my bad. Yes. Get a look at the next example. Why you didn't call me yesterday? My bad. I will call you tonight. Yes. So, a box. A box. It is mean $1. So you know $1. Another example. How much is it? It is $20. Yes, it is $20. I went through $500 on my last trip. Wheel in a car. Just an example. I had taken a bus to school. I need to get some wheel. Just in this sentence, wheel in definition a car. So it is mean a car. So I need a car. To dump. To dump. It is mean and a relationship with someone. Yes. Example. He is really upset. His girlfriend just dumped him. So his girlfriend and relationship with him. So we can use dump. Just choosing. The slang word choosing. It is mean used to show agreement. Example. Can you lend me your dictionaries? Yes. Choosing. Wasted. To be very drunk and affected by drugs. He was too wasted or strained. People say stupid things when they are wasted. Gross. It is mean someone who's stupid or insensitive. I never pay attention to his gross comment. Words. Pick out. It is mean to eat a lot. The food was so delicious last night. I picked it out. So it's mean I eat a lot. So in this lesson we learn about the slang words. So I hope everyone understand about my lesson today. So if you have interested my video, please subscribe and comment below. Okay, thank you everyone for you pay attention to my video. Okay, bye bye.